Welcome to this video on the geometry of luck, focusing on generating true randomness in global lotteries. Human brains are wired for pattern recognition, often introducing massive bias when selecting lottery numbers. Our approach focuses on algorithmic choice for unbiased, perfectly distributed numbers, avoiding the illusion of human randomness. We have analyzed the architectures of global chance, looking at the mathematical matrices behind 8 major international lotteries, including Powerball, MegaMillions, and EuroMillions, noting their main and bonus number ranges. The engine of randomness utilizes Python's random.sample function. This produces cryptographically secure pseudo-random numbers, guaranteeing equal probability for an unbiased output, independent of previous draws. To ensure fairness, we use a drawing without replacement method. Once a number is selected, it's removed from the pool, meaning no number can appear twice in the same set, and the probability pool shrinks with each draw. The tool offers a spectrum of user control. You can choose the automated popular lottery mode, define exact geometry in custom range mode, or use the custom number pool mode for highly specific number lists. The custom number pool mode distills curated chaos. It takes a chaotic data set of sentimental numbers and reorganizes them using the mechanism to generate 1 to 10 distinct, mathematically sound combinations simultaneously. Every generated set comes with a structural statistical breakdown. This output analysis includes a sum gauge, odd/even meter, low/high meter, consecutive counter, and average readout, vital for balanced distribution. True randomness can occasionally produce clustered outliers. Distribution analyses allow users to instantly verify the structural balance of sets, distinguishing between a balanced draw and an outlier draw before making a purchase. This diagram shows the anatomy of a truly random draw. A single click orchestrates an ecosystem, flowing from the architecture of the input parameters to the catalyst engine, and concluding with the insight of the output analysis. Lottery outcomes are pure games of chance. While algorithms provide unbiased selection, no generator can predict a winning combination. Please play responsibly, check local lottery rules, and remember this tool generates numbers for entertainment purposes.